Welcome to episode 6 of Easy High Protein Meal Prep you can make in under 30 minutes. Today we're making Mexican street chicken quesadillas that pack 65 grams of protein each and will be perfect for getting rid of those late night cravings. And these will be in my new cookbook, which means you can just throw them in the freezer and have meals for the whole week. Let's get into it. Start out by throwing some chicken thighs in a bowl, adding in all of the things that I'm going to list on the screen, covering it and letting it marinate for about 10 minutes. When it's done marinating, take out some color. Now dice the cooked chicken into small pieces, add in white onion, cilantro, and give it a good mix. Assemble the quesadillas just like this by using low-calorie tortillas, fat-free cheese, and the chicken that we made earlier. Toast them on both sides until golden brown, and if you're meal prepping, just wrap them in aluminum foil afterwards and store them in the freezer for up to 3 months. If you need a quick and easy way to get in your protein for the day, these cheesy garlic chicken rolls are exactly what you're looking for. Believe it or not, each one of these packs 45 grams of protein and will keep you full for hours. And of course, these will be in my new meal, freeze them for later. Let's get into it. To make the creamy high protein sauce, combine all of the things I'll put on the screen, blend them until smooth, and set aside for now. Next up, take out some diced chicken breast, season it until the color changes, and then cook it in a pan until all of the pieces are nice and golden brown. Now let's build the filling with the cooked chicken, mozzarella, the sauce that we made, some fresh parsley, and mix until it looks just like this. Take out some low-calorie tortillas, make 10 rolls, and then add them to a baking sheet, spray with some oil, and bake with the directions on screen. Now just wrap them in aluminum foil, throw them in the freezer, and if you want to lose weight and eat delicious honey buffalo chicken tenders, I got a recipe for you. My tenders are less calories, way bigger, and more than double the protein of anything you can get in a drive-thru. So if you're struggling to hit your protein goals, let me show you how to make them. Cut your chicken breast into 3-ounce strips, and then we can start the dipping process. Combine all of the ingredients I'll put on the screen to make our dry flour mixture, then take out about a cup and combine with sparkling water to make the wet mixture. Now drizzle some of the wet mixture into the dry to make little clumps, and then dip the chicken into the dry, into the wet, and back into the dry one more time. Now spray the tenders with cooking oil and air fry or bake with the directions I'll put on the screen. And finally, combine some low-calorie buffalo sauce and honey in a pan, reduce it a little, cover the tenders in it,